My name's Erik Bruner-Yang. I'm the chef owner of Maketto, and we do Taiwanese, Cambodian-inspired food. This is my neighborhood that I live in. It's in Northeast Washington, D.C., and I really wanted there to be something super nice for the people that lived here. So we put this retail store here in the front. We have the coffee shop that we activated, and then we opened my more formal restaurant all in one space, operating as one business. I was born in Taipei. I immigrated to this country when I was 4 or 5, and then sometime around my mid-20s, cooking was a way for me to connect to the other half of my culture. Our pork steam bun. Traditionally, it's called a char siu bao. For us, we do braised pork. We take all the pork shoulder, we stew it in stock, garlic, ginger, scallions, and then we take all that meat, chop it up, toss it in hoisin sauce, and then make a dumpling out of it. And when it's time for service, we usually do about 3 or 4 in order, and we kind of just keep them going all day. Sauce, plate, go. Pork steam buns.